Welcome back to the channel. I'm working on this Lexus LC500. This car had minimal damage, very easy to repair. If the insurance company had left everything on there, it would have been totally fine. Or if it was hit, they tore down the initial evaluation, they should have put the parts with the car or in the trunk or something. And they didn't do any of that. They literally just kept all the parts. Obviously reasons because that bumper alone cost me almost $3,000 to put together, used and new. That sensor that sits here, that's $400. The emblem is $400, and then the grill was $1,000. So like, you can tell there's $2,000 just the grill with the emblem and the sensor behind it, and then the bumper itself. And you got 4 parking sensors, fog lights. You know, it's easy $5,000 bumper to assemble. And they kept it probably because they knew the insurance company was going to total it, so they kept the headlights and probably put it on eBay and sold it. And hell, for all I know, I might have bought the headlight back for the car. I couldn't tell you. But that's where we're at the stage of this car. Hopefully the headlight ballast is the only thing we're waiting for that I can tell right now, to put this car back together and make it look sexy again. So hopefully you can follow us through our journey. And this is the most stupidest thing I've ever seen. If anybody knows more about this system, please chime in, comment, tell me why or who. Oh, I know why they built this. So here's the funny thing. These things here pop up. There's 2 over there that pop up the hood. So what happens is it's made for pedestrians. So instead of a pedestrian running into your windshield, if you hit a pedestrian, these things pop up. The back of the hood pops up like this and kicks the pedestrian over the car. I shit you not, I'm not lying. That's what this system is. It's the most stupidest thing in the world. You're not in Grand Theft Auto, but I guess if you were in Grand Theft Auto in real life, this would be the car to run people over with. I can tell you. I read and did some homework on that's what it's for. It's the hood pop up so you can push pedestrians over your windshield. You may laugh at me, but read about it. It's stupid. Anyways, get back to us next week. We got some more cool stuff coming. Thanks, and like our channel. I'm not kidding, Corey. That's exactly what it's for. You know that?